download and install Eclipse Enterprise Edition IDE for executing the Java programs. So let's start it, how to download it. Open this link, Eclipse Foundation. Don't worry, I provide this link in description box. So in this right hand side, you can see the download button are visible. So you simply click on it. Once you click on this button, a new window are visible, and you can see here download button. So you simply click on it. Downloading are start automatically. Thank you for your download. And you can see here this IDE are starting to download. It takes some time according to your net speed, so just wait. And you can see here this IDE are download successfully. So you simply click on show in folder, and here right click on it and click on open. And this is the Eclipse installer. There are number of options are available, but we want to Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So you simply click on it, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And here we want to install this IDE. So you simply click on install. And this is the user agreement. You simply click on accept now. And the installation are starting. It also takes some time according to your net speed, so just wait.
A few moments later.
And you can see here this Eclipse installer for Java developers are successfully installed. So you simply click on this launch button. And this is the default path. Set as default and click on launch button. And you can see here your Eclipse IDE for Java developers are ready to use. You simply execute your simple Java programs on this IDE. In this way you also download this IDE for executing the Java programs. Now stop for today. Let's see you next video. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Thanks for watching.